Tēnā koutou nau mai, ara mai e te iwi. Here's the original song. The song's it's been to talk about around my community and about AI. And so I wanted to write something about AI. And so this original song, it's called AI and I. It goes like, so here we go, it goes like this. Do-do-do-do-do-do, hey. AI and I, 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 the power and heart of AI and I, artificial intelligent, equate the human thought, built by design, but no intuition. It mirrors my image, but has no soul. It copies my rhythm, but not my role. It runs on power, I run on width. It learns from data, I learn from death. It speaks in code, I speak from life. It remembers patterns, I remember pain. Oh, AI and I, 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 the power and heart of AI and I. Creativity, humanity, we work together in harmony. AI shape integration, I ignite innovation. Probability guides the machine, but faith guides the soul unseen. Library of thoughts passing through my mind. It cannot feel, it cannot dream, no understand alone. For what I give is what it learns. No loyalty, no love, no friends. It scans the world with clever plans. I ask the Lord to guide my hand in the digital world of information. I feed AI, AI and I, 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 AI and I. The power and heart of AI and I. Design meets divinity. Data contains with destiny. Not a logic, but a light. AI is here, it never sleeps. It may be smart, it may be fast. The computer design meets the human mind. Dark webs, silent schemes, where AI clips the human dream. With job losses on the rise, uncertainty fills my mind. It's for healing or for harm, while titans control AI, AI and I, 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 the power and heart of AI and I. He manu kai te miro, nōna te ngahere. He manu kai te mātauranga, nōna te ao. The bird that eats berries is nourished by the forest. The bird that eats knowledge, it is reaching for the world. There are pros and cons everywhere, but AI is here. A notebook of knowledge, a world beyond the forest. Yet in this digital world of information, the forest calls me home. I live in both worlds now, the forest and the world. Oh, AI and I, 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 the power and heart of AI and I, 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 oh, AI and I, AI and I, the power and heart of AI and I. Whoa, whoa, yeah. AI and I. No reira. Tēnā koutou mihi ana kia koutou. So that was original song from about AI called AI and I. And yes, I know in some of the lyrics I have in this waiata, I like this part. In this digital world of information, I feed AI, and we do every time we use our phones or anything that's computer or anything. We feed an AI with our creativity, with our thoughts, and of course, and this word in this verse 3, is it for healing or for harm? While titans control AI, and titans to me are the tech giants and billionaires, and who control AI. And so, and that worries, of course, for me as a community, we worry about these things. So anyway, but it's a new world that we face, that we're in now, and so I hope you enjoy this. Aroa mai for going on. I hope you enjoy this original song called AI and I. AI and I. AI and I. AI and I, AI and I, whoa, AI and I, the power and heart of AI and I, oh, the power and heart of AI and I, hey. No reira tēnā koutou, kia ora tātou katoa, kia tautiragi Māori e Aotearoa, kia ora ka uri.